Okay, so this little video is going to show you how to answer the questions for page 4, question 6 on the clutch maintenance or clutch disc maintenance. So following the steps word for word as you go through. So it's asking you to fit the clutch disc and pressure plate. I go down, I see the pressure plate, clutch disc assembly, I click and drag. Next one is fit the bolts and tighten them by hand. The bolts are down here. It's just a one at a time, dropping them into the pressure plate to flywheel mounting. Click and drag. Then it's asking you to center the clutch disc with the clutch alignment tool. This is this orange piece here. They are centered. Now tighten the bolts diagonally using the torque wrench. So we take the torque wrench, click, place it over top and release, and it will do that all on its own. Go back to the starting point. Take it again. Click, drag over, and then release once you're on top of that bolt. Go to your next one. Oops. And the last one in place. Oops. So as you're tightening it, it will automatically make that movement for you. After that point, you want to remove the alignment tool. You now have an under vehicle view. This is when you're going to take the transmission and put it into place. Click and drag the drive shaft into place. You're now done with this page.